In this tutorial, you'll be introduced to logging in as teacher. The teacher username and password is generated by the site administrator. If the site is set to email generated passwords, you'll receive your teacher login details by email. Otherwise, the site administrator will communicate your username and password to you directly. The examples that follow are specific to email generated passwords. To log in as teacher, click on the Teacher tab from your Electude site. Next, go to your email to retrieve your login information. Insert username and initial password in the spaces provided, then click OK to log in. The system will now ask you to agree to the terms of service. You may click the links provided to view terms and privacy statement. When you're ready to move forward, click I agree to continue. The system will now ask you to choose a new permanent password. Insert password of your choice, confirm, then click OK to save. The system will confirm that your new chosen password has been accepted. This will be your permanent password going forward. Next, you'll finish your teacher profile by specifying your first and last name, email address, feedback setting, and language choice. When finished, click OK to save. That's it! Your teacher account is all set up and you may begin exploring content from under the Modules and Courses tab, or you may generate groups of students from under the Student tab. Please go to our website at electude.com to view more tutorials.